Hello everyone. In this session we will see another question on the method of undetermined coefficient. Solve y double dash plus 5y dash plus 4y equal to 10 into e to the power of minus 3x. From this left side we can see that solving for the homogeneous equation, we will have the auxiliary equation equal to m square plus 5m plus 4 equal to 0. So this can be written as plus 4 plus 1. So the roots are going to be minus 4 and minus 1. That means the homogeneous equation, the homogeneous solution for this case is going to be c1 into e to the power of minus 4x plus c2 into e to the power of minus x. Let's take it as 1. So this is the homogeneous solution, and from here we can see that Rx for this case, for non-homogeneous case, Rx is given as 10 into e to the power of minus 3x, and following the table we have seen the particular solution should be taken as a into e to the power of minus 3x. As per the table, for this exponential function we should take this particular solution. As per that, so this y is a into e to the power of minus 3x, then y dash will become minus 3a e to the power of minus 3x, and y double dash will become 9 times of a into minus 3x. So now we can put in this equation given, this one, we can say y double dash, so 9a e to the power of minus 3x plus 5y dash, so 5 into minus 3a e to the power of minus 3x and plus 4 times of a e to the power of minus 3x is equal to 10 e to the power of minus 3x. Now we have to compare the coefficients on both the sides. We have 9a minus 15a plus 4a is equal to 10, right? So this is going to be 9, 4, 13 and then minus 2. So minus 2a is equal to 10. Therefore a is equal to minus 5, which means particular solution for this case is going to be minus 5 e to the power of minus 3x. Then y is equal to yp plus yh will be, in fact they'll write yh first and then yp, so we will write in that the same order. So it is going to be c1 e to the power of minus 4x plus c2 e to the power of minus x plus the particular solution minus 5 e to the power of minus 3x. So this is going to be the solution for this case.